Alright, they said come outside and they'll shoot me. Check this out. Frying pan. Is it rolling? Boom. I did this before, it was awesome. There's the gunman right there. Damn, hit him with the damn pan. Look how far he goes. He's trying to go in his no transport robot, that's hilarious. And then him right there, bam, block his bullet. Dragon teleport, no transport laser, hit him in the face. Bam. Shift give real. Bam, he landed on that car. You hit people with the frying pan when they threaten you not to come outside or they'll shoot. Boom, block the bullet. You just need a frying pan all the time. Don't be scared of these guys. Make a fryster. Don't be scared of these guys at all. Just make a fryster. I keep the pan on me. That's how I want to, that's how I want to go to war with my frying pan. Dragon teleport, put in his eye. Transport laser, dragon teleport, put in his eye. Boom. Now he died. I can also catch bullets with my hands. I'm pretty amazing. Modern warfare with the frying pan. That was sick. Shay scan, control scan.